Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was a bright and curious child with a heart full of dreams and a mind filled with endless wonders. He had big, sparkling eyes that held the reflection of 1,000 possibilities. Oliver's days were spent exploring the wonders of nature that surrounded his village. He would venture into the dense forests, climb the tallest trees, and chase butterflies in open meadows. His companions were the birds that sang melodiously and the gentle breeze that whispered tales of distant lands. One sunny morning, while Oliver was exploring the outskirts of the village, he stumbled upon an old, weathered book lying beneath a towering oak tree. The pages were yellowed with age, and the cover was adorned with intricate illustrations of mystical creatures. Intrigued, Oliver carefully picked up the book and began flipping through its pages. To his amazement, he discovered that the book was filled with stories of extraordinary adventures, magical realms, and hidden treasures. The words on the pages seemed to come alive, painting vivid pictures in his imagination. Oliver's heart danced with excitement as he realized that this book held the key to a world beyond his wildest dreams. From that day forward, Oliver devoted every spare moment to reading the book and delving into its enchanting tales. Each story transported him to a different realm, introducing him to brave heroes, wise wizards, and fantastical creatures. The more he read, the more his yearning for adventure grew. Inspired by the tales he had read, Oliver decided to embark on his own quest. He bid farewell to his village, promising to return one day with stories of his own. With the old book clutched tightly in his hands, he set off into the unknown, eager to make his mark on the world. His journey took him through dense forests, across treacherous mountains, and along vast, winding rivers. Along the way, Oliver encountered many challenges and obstacles, but his determination and unwavering spirit pushed him forward. He braved thunderstorms, traversed deep caverns, and faced fearsome creatures with courage he didn't know he possessed. As time passed, Oliver's travels led him to a hidden kingdom tucked away from the prying eyes of the world. The kingdom was in the midst of a terrible curse, causing its people to suffer and its lands to wither. Guided by the wisdom he had gained from the book, Oliver embarked on a quest to lift the curse and bring prosperity back to the kingdom. With unwavering resolve, Oliver set out to retrieve a magical artifact, hidden deep within a labyrinth of trials and tests. He faced puzzles that required wit, battles that tested his strength, and trials that challenged his character. Along the way, he formed unexpected alliances with loyal companions who believed in his cause. After countless trials and tribulations, Oliver stood before the ancient artifact, his heart pounding with anticipation.